Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by keeping the area around the compressor coil clean and clear. Clear at least 12 inches of space on all sides to ensure proper airflow and service access. Remove leaves, grass clippings, and debris weekly during heavy seasons to prevent buildup and corrosion. Clean coils every 3 months to avoid efficiency loss and compressor strain. Use soft brushes and low-pressure water rinses to avoid fin damage. Avoid chemical cleaners, unless specified by the manufacturer, to prevent coil degradation and warranty issues. Replace or clean air filters to protect the coil from dust and particles. Use 20-micron washable filters and inspect them monthly for clogs and tears. A clogged filter forces the coil to work harder and reduces lifespan by increasing compressor cycles. Maintain the condensate drain by flushing it every 6 months with 1 cup of diluted bleach. Check the condensate pan for standing water and clear blockages to prevent mold. Keep electrical panels dry and locked during maintenance to protect components. Schedule a professional tune-up annually to inspect the compressor coil and system health. Technicians will check refrigerant charge, test pressures, and look for leaks that damage the compressor. Maintain the correct refrigerant level because undercharge causes overheating and compressor failure within months. Use manufacturer-approved refrigerant types and playback pressures during service to protect the system. Have a technician straighten bent fins and apply coil protectant if recommended. Document service dates and readings to spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.